Good afternoon, you're watching another episode of Phantom Flight 101. And I'm here with Novice Quads, and we're here at the legendary Muscle annual auto show in Forest Park, Queens.
And those guys are at it again.
We're here at this auto show. They've got all kinds of stuff. Heavy muscle cars, Mustangs if you love Mustangs. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. The 302 Pony is here. They've got muscle. They've got vintage. Come check it out. There's stuff here that your grandparents might remember. Come check it out. Come on with us. Joe, tell me about your car.
All right, we got a 2009 Mustang GT, automatic transmission. I got 410s in the rear, some exhaust work done, dyno tune, and it's wrapped in Avery Dennison's Russian Riptide.
Yeah, that is an interesting car. What made you choose that color?
It was kind of like the Mr. Chrome color. So
Okay. Okay. You here with any of the car clubs?
yeah, I'm here with Venom Outlaws. I'm here with Venom Stangs.
Okay, you do this often?
Yeah.
How often of the year you guys got shows?
Go to try to go a show a weekend.
Oh, okay.
Throughout the summer,
Almost
throughout the
every
car
weekend?
months. Yeah.
Okay, all right. What, they got cash prizes or anything like that? Or is it
No,
just
just fun riding around with everybody cruising around. That's
all right, the
best
camaraderie.
part.
That's the best part of it. You ever take it to the track?
Yeah, a few times.
How's she doing the track?
It's not bad. She's running 13 flat.
Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. But we got Joe here. Thanks for talking with us.
No problem. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll enjoy the rest of the show. Teddy here with his 83 El Camino. Tell me about the car.
Well, the car is a project that's been over the last 10 years or more. We've changed the color on it. It used to be white.
What color is this?
This is actually a rust with a burnt orange.
I like that. I like that.
All right. The engine is a three-stroke headers and cams. It's been dualed out with an X pipe in it.
Okay.
I've put a digital dash in already, and
Okay.
I'm still working on, just put a new sound system in, and want to improve on that. And I'm getting ready to do some. It's still under reconstruction.
I got a question.
Yes, sir.
Why this color? Because I like this color. I like the way you got the two-tone setup.
If you really want to know, it was done by mistake.
It was done by mistake.
I actually wanted a camel brown because that was one of the colors they had for the El Camino in '83.
Right.
So I went to the paint store. I asked the guy to give me this number. I gave him the number. He put the paint in a can. I went to the guy who painted my car. I gave it to him, and then went on a trip. I come back, it was rust brown. I was like, what happened to the color that I gave you? He says, that's the color you gave me. He said, sometimes it gets dark. I was like, it got a lot darker. So I didn't pay any attention because I gave him the paint and there was nothing to do. So one day, I had some scratches on it, so I wanted to repaint it again and do it over again. So I gave the guy back the can of paint that I gave him. That he gave me, and he comes back with a camel brown paint. I was like, yo, you give me the wrong paint. So by the time I had saw a Cadillac one of the newer Cadillacs that had a burnt orange on it. And I was sitting next to my car. I said, that would be a great two-tone.
All right.
And then by mistake, I got something that I actually like.
It looks good though.
Thank you very much.
How's she run?
Oh, she runs. You know, you have to go to the gas station every time you take her out and come back. But she runs.
But you know, that's what we want.
I don't know about that.
But you here with Queens Classic Car Club?
Yes, I am.
Thanks for talking with us, man.
All right.
All right, see you around.
Okay,
I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you, sir.
Now I'm here with Angel. Angel, tell me about your car.
I got the 350.
Stock?
No, no stock.
Not
Yeah,
stock?
I got a cam, lifters, heads. Rebuilt the engine.
What
Got
year
headers,
is the vet?
1980.
1980?
Yeah,
Okay. So how's she run though?
run perfect. Everything is new on the bottom. Got new headers, new muffler system, new
Okay.
rear end. Everything is new.
Okay. What color is this? This is
like,
interesting because it's not really a burgundy and it's not
No,
a
it's
purple.
it's like a dark brown.
Like a dark brown.
Yeah.
Okay. You ever took it to the track?
No, I don't know.
Not on the, not on the track.
Just to cruise.
Just to cruise, you and
Yeah.
the wife.
Yeah.
All right. So it's nice talking with you, Angel.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
That was my time here at Legendary Muscles Auto Show. How'd you like it, man?
It was pretty good, man. Too many cars, not enough to show.
A lot of Mustangs here, though.
Yeah,
Especially-
crazy Mustangs.
Especially that blue one with a girl, but she was kind of shy. She didn't want to talk to
Venom
us.
Stains. Y'all
Yeah.
got some heavy cars up in here.
Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Legendary Muscle Car Club, thank you for inviting us here.
Oh, thanks,
Queens Classic Car
Thanks.
Club, thank you for inviting us here. And all the independents, thanks for letting us interview you.
Thank you. Please feel free. Check out the description below. Also, feel free to leave your comments. And I'll see you next time on Phantom Flight 101 with those guys.